How to link your debit card to Barclays app. First of all, open the Barclays app and go to the home screen. Tap on Cards from the Quick Link section to access your card settings. Next, tap Manage your direct debit to start setting up your debit card for payments. Now choose whether you want to pay the total statement balance, the minimum amount, or another amount. After selecting, tap Continue. Then select the bank account you want to use for payments. If your account isn't listed, tap Enter Bank Details and input your bank information manually. Then tap Continue. After that, review the payment details and read the important information. If everything looks good, check the confirmation boxes and tap Confirm. If you want to change the payment amount later, simply return to Manage your direct debit from the card section, select Change payment amount, then tap Continue and confirm the update. To change the account link to your direct debit, go to Manage your direct debit and tap Edit bank details. You can then select a different existing account or add new bank details followed by tapping Confirm. Now you know how to link your debit card to Barclays app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more banking tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.